We've been talking about it for the last couple of days, Jesse. Hope you got a chance to enjoy that dry time because we're seeing on live Doppler 7 radar what we were talking about. Here comes that rain again, right?
Yeah, moving right back in. Thankfully, we did get a couple of days to dry out there because we have several chances for rain as we go throughout the work week here. And starting into the overnight hours tonight, it will begin. So taking a look outside at what things are looking like on satellite and radar, you can see an initial wave of some showers moving through. No thunderstorms found in these as of right now, but we are seeing some moderate to somewhat heavy precipitation located off just towards the south of Richmond there in Indiana. And we will continue to see this kind of waving over starting in Mercer and Darke counties here as we continue to go Preble County as well. Likely to see showers picking up as we go throughout the next hour or so. And just to give you a bigger picture of what's kind of out there, we're really pulling in all of this moisture from the south, and we have a cold front that's edging underneath, and that's kind of where we're seeing the beginning of some of those showers rolling in. So this is that initial band of moisture, whereas the cold front is kind of this line that's hanging back towards Illinois right now. So do expect showers to continue throughout the majority of the overnight hours here. And one of the first ones that will likely see rain is Greenville. It doesn't look like they have any precipitation falling out there as of now, but maybe within the next hour, they will likely see that changing here. And temperatures staying on the warm side of things. 56 degrees is the temperature out there right now because we've had the winds shifting from mostly the southeast, and that's picked up to about 11 miles per hour. As it does continue to increase from the south, that's where we get all of this moisture and heat feeding in from the south, and that will likely continue because these winds are continuing to intensify. And just kind of a look around the area, you can see everyone's essentially in the same boat, somewhere between 10 and 15 miles per hour, and these winds will kind of lean more towards the south as we go into the next couple of days here, and that's where temperatures are going to hold nice and steady above the average and set us up for plenty of showers as that moisture continues to move in here as well. So a fairly weak cold front for right now is located off, as you can see here, the wind shifting right here. You can see it from the southwest as opposed to the southeast, and that clash is where we're seeing some of those showers possible to move in as we kind of get that warm air that leads out in front of it. And we've had that settle in here. Temperatures are quite mild as we go into the overnight hours here. 56 degrees currently in Dayton and some of the locations off towards the south that have already seen some of that warm air move in, slightly warmer, 58 degrees in Oxford. And we'll continue to see this mild trend as we go throughout the overnight hours due to those winds shifting, as well as the showers we expect to see move in. That additional moisture will really hold these temperatures steady. So staying right around 50 degrees as we go throughout the majority of the overnight hours and tomorrow. We are going to be on the breezy side of things, but we will have warm temperatures associated with that wind shift here as well. So kind of scattered showers just moving throughout the region as we go throughout the overnight hours. Near midnight, that's likely where we'll see a good amount of moderate precipitation moving in. Things really scattering out as we go towards sunrise. And we have that kind of last band associated with that cold front where we could start off with a few scattered showers there in the morning hours, but then just mostly cloudy conditions as we go throughout the remainder of the day there on Monday. More rain moving in on Tuesday, however, and this is one you'll want to pay attention to because the breeze likely picking up as we go into Tuesday. So if you have some leaves out there to rake, if you didn't get it done this weekend, you might have a tough time over the next couple of days, especially with the wind really picking up there on Tuesday. So rain chances spiking on Monday night and into Tuesday there as well. As we go throughout the remainder of the work week, we will see temperatures are kind of on the decline as we go. Wednesday, sunny skies, but 53 degrees. And this is foreshadowing for what's to come, John, because temperatures by the weekend could be dipping into the 20s.
Part of an Amazon building collapses without warning, killing 2 people. How officials say the weather may have played a role in this tragedy.
There's a home field advantage on both sides up in Cleveland today, but that won't happen anymore for local high school teams as the playoffs roll into week number 2. We'll check out those neutral sites next in sports. Stay right there.